Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 28th of June. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. What we'll see is that it's lining up quite nicely for an upward move, but there is resistance on the upside, which is the upper boundary of the trading channel. So we need some increased upside momentum for this to be broken. So on the daily, you can see that the Aussie dollar's been reasonably strong over the last few weeks. It's created this nice uptrend and is above all the moving averages, which are now all moving upwards. The 200-day, the red line, has just moved up today. Unfortunately, it wasn't moving up when the 20-day crossed it, which would have been a golden cross, but they're all moving up, so that's reasonably positive. You can see that there is resistance to the upside, which I'll go into later. Momentum is reasonably positive. The RSI is above 50, although it's not really, it's actually in a downtrend at the moment. So even though it's above 50, actually showing a bit of downside momentum. So it could be higher, and there is a risk that if we do drift off from here, that slips lower. The RSI reached its peak on the peak that we saw on the 14th of June. On the weekly picture, here you can definitely see the range trading that the Aussie dollar has been doing. You can see that the upper channel of this range trade is at about the 0.772 level. So that's the upper boundary. What we need to see is an increase in upside momentum for that to be broken. It is positive that the 20 and the 50-day moving average are just below the spot. They'll give support, and as they move up, hopefully they'll give the push up that's required. The RSI is indicative of some upside momentum. It's only just above 50 at 54, and the MACD are only just starting to tick above the zero line. In the longer term trend, you can still see the downtrend in 200-week moving average, which is just above 0.8. On the 4-hour chart, again, it's quite interesting. You can see the resistance levels. We have had a golden cross on the 20 and 50 4-hour moving averages, which is positive, and hopefully they may give the push up to break through that resistance, which needs to break above 76.30. On the RSI, again, it's not that indicative of positive momentum. It is above 50, 53.49, but it's just trading flat. And the MACD also, they are above zero, which is good, but they are trading flat as well. So really what the index needs is a push up in upside momentum to be able to break the resistance. On the resistance levels, resistance 1 76.36, resistance 2 77.48, with supports at 75.83, which is the 50 from the 4-hour, and 75.43, which is the 20-day moving average. Thanks for watching this video. Just to clarify the key points, that sentiment is turning positive on the Aussie dollar. There is still some resistance that needs to be broken. The medium term, we're towards the top of the range, but it's and positive momentum. It's encouraging, but it needs to be stronger in order to get the push up that's required. Thanks for watching the video. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, do subscribe. I'm coming out with videos almost on a daily basis, not just on foreign currencies, but also on commodities, equity indices, and single stocks. Please remember that the videos that I do are for information only and are my opinion, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.